All right, Apple just dropped its vision for the next year, and let me tell you, it's about way more than just some shiny new gadgets. We're going to break down all the biggest announcements and see how they all connect back to one single idea, making our tech more personal and more helpful than it's ever been before. You know, everything we saw today really comes back to this core philosophy from Steve Jobs. It's this super simple idea that great design isn't just about how pretty something looks, it's about how it actually functions in your life. And that idea? It's the thread that connects everything we're about to talk about, from brand new health features to impossibly thin phones.
Okay, first up, wearables. Apple is really pushing these devices way beyond just being accessories. They're turning them into truly essential tools for our health and for how we connect with the entire world. A perfect example of this? Check out what the new AirPods Pro are doing for something that affects all of us: language barriers. Powered by Apple Intelligence, that's their new suite of on-device AI, they can now do live translation. It's so cool. A simple gesture and Siri will translate a conversation for you in real time. And the noise cancellation hones in on the voice so you can hear everything clearly. It's basically like having a personal interpreter right in your ear.
Now, let's switch gears to health. The next massive challenge Apple is taking on with the watch, well, it really all comes down to this one number: 1.3 billion.
So, what is that 1.3 billion? That's the staggering number of adults worldwide who have high blood pressure. And here's why that's so dangerous. It's often called the silent killer because a lot of the time there are no obvious symptoms. Millions of people don't even know they have it, and that's the problem the new Apple Watch is built to solve.
So how in the world does it work? Well, this isn't about a one-time measurement you have to remember to take. The watch just works silently, in the background using its optical heart sensor to analyze your blood flow patterns over a 30-day period. It's looking for the chronic, persistent signs of high blood pressure. If it spots a pattern, boom, it sends you an alert. Apple actually estimates this could notify over 1 million people of a condition they didn't even know they had in the first year alone. That's huge. It gives them the power to have a much smarter conversation with their doctor.
And now for the main event, the iPhone. This year, we're seeing a really huge strategic shift. Apple's rolling out a whole new lineup that's really built for everyone.
So here's the new strategy laid out. It's all about 3 distinct models. You've got the iPhone 17, which is the new super powerful standard for most people. Then there's the brand new iPhone Air, which is all about being impossibly thin and light without cutting corners on power. And of course, at the very top, the iPhone 17 Pro, which is being pushed even further as the ultimate tool for creators and pros.
To really wrap your head around the new iPhone Air, you just need to see this number: 5.6 millimeters. That is just unbelievably thin.
And what's truly amazing here is that this record-breaking thinness doesn't mean you're compromising on performance. Not at all. It's running on the brand new top-of-the-line A19 Pro chip. Yep, the same one that's in the flagship Pro model. That's a serious feat of engineering.
Okay, so for the Pro users out there, the story is all about this number: 8 times. And this isn't just some small spec bump. We're talking about a massive, massive leap forward in what the camera can do.
Let's translate that 8x into real-world terms. We're talking about a 200mm equivalent focal length. For anyone who knows cameras, that's serious telephoto reach. It's going to be incredible for capturing wildlife, sports, or getting those beautifully compressed portraits from a distance. This really solidifies the Pro in iPhone Pro like never before.
So, you might be asking, what's the magic behind the curtain? What's the engine that's making all of these incredible things possible? Well, it really boils down to a few key technologies that have all come together.
What's so important to understand is that these products are the result of years of advancements all culminating at once. You've got the new A19 chips providing the raw horsepower. You have Apple Intelligence giving it the software brains. New thermal designs and advanced materials are what make the devices lighter, tougher, and more capable than ever. See, it all comes back to that first idea: design is how it works.
And all of this, it leaves us with a really big question to think about. Our technology can now monitor our health while we're sleeping and literally translate our conversations as we're having them. As these tools get closer, more powerful, and more personal, you just have to wonder, where does the tool end and where do we begin?